What's going on, YouTube? How y'all guys doing today? It's your boy Three Way Trade back at it again with another YouTube video, man. Man, I just want to say, boy, I caught a banger today, bro. I took the trade way before I started recording. I saw it around like 8 o'clock, so I didn't even get in. I ain't even start recording, bro. I just saw it and I just happened to take it, man. But I can just give y'all a trade recap, bro. I got in at the absolute top. The reason I was getting into the trade, cause I was looking at the daily time frame, like, bro, the daily time frame is just choppy, bro. We gonna have a breakout soon or later. It's either gonna go up, or it's gonna go down. But me, I was getting signed that it was bearish momentum and bearish pressure. We was already in a high area of supply. Then you look at the 4 hour. Before this counter started shooting down, I looked at this. So the 4 hour, it failed to keep on making a higher high past the weekend. So we were losing momentum and pressure going up to the upside. So it started making a higher low, or a lower low. Then I look on the 1 hour chart, I saw this 1 hour break of structure. So I was just like, bro, it's clear. It's almost obvious playing this day that this stuff gonna get ready to go down. So I scaled down to the 15 minute. I noticed that we had also a 15 minute zone within the 1 hour supply, which they gave me more confluence there. I ended up taking my short. I got in right here on the break of the candle. And I got in. I got it at a 1 to 3 risk to reward. I had my original TP set right here. For some reason, I knew it was finna go down there, but I just took the 1 to 3 because I was telling myself like, okay, New York session finna get ready to come in. Ain't no telling what they finna do. Then we got some bullish gaps down here, and plus we got this demand zone right here, so we could react off this demand zone after taking this trend line liquidity, and then we might start pushing back up. So that's what I was thinking. So I ain't want to risk it. I ain't want to get back profit because I had to make some money back. Because I did take a couple losses. I'll show y'all. I'll be very transparent at that. So I took a couple losses. I took a $300 loss. I took a $500 loss, and then so I made all that back. The first time I got in the first trade, but this loss was on accident because I thought I was trying to switch my contracts. I messed my contracts up thinking I was gonna get into Dow, so it ended up putting me into gold. So I mean, it wasn't a trade setup loss, but it was a contract loss. So we ended up getting that back and making back some. So yeah, we up 1,043. We got our losses back. But man, bro, if I would just held down here and just trusted the analysis, which I knew it was gonna come down here and take this liquidity, well, a great possibility that it was. I mean, I don't know. Just react to the markets as best as I can. So this stuff cooked up, bro, and I caught the absolute top, bro. The absolute top. It cooked up, bro. Like it went for a 1 to 13, bro. I had a 15-point stop loss, sniper entry. I put 6 contracts on that thing, bro. Man, I let it rip. I couldn't risk that much because I already lost that $200 trade on on the mistake trying to get into the Dow trade. So I only had $400 left to risk because if I would have lost that, that would have been almost $600-700 risk, which my daily loss limit. So, but it cooked, man, bro. This trade cooked, but when the volume came in New York session, bro, this stuff just started nuking, started melting. But yeah, that was a trade recap of the day, man. I know I haven't been posting that many trading videos lately, but I am back, man. I just had to come back and just refine myself and just reevaluate and just see what was going on. But 1 second before we go, I'll do a quick evaluation on gold, see what gold doing. See, yeah, this the setup I was looking for on gold to get in. I was waiting for it to tap this 1 hour demand though and then start pushing up. But it ended up just not coming in tapping the 1 hour demand and end up respecting this 5 minute with this gap right here. So that's all it needed right there. I was actually looking at to take this setup too. So it was a winning setup back to back. So this setup even went for stop playing. It said I went for a 1 to 4, 200, $260, 26 pip stop loss, bro. And I went through like 3 contracts on that thing, bro. Man, come on, bro. Like I said, come on, man. We gonna get these account funded, man. I promise that, bro. We gonna stick to our plan. We gonna stay disciplined, bro. Wrote my plan down. Y'all probably can't see it, but yeah, this is my little sticky note right here, man. I just had to rewrite me a plan for these 100K accounts, how I'm gonna get them funded and what I'm gonna do, what's my rules. So the goal for these accounts, I'm looking to target 1 or 2 risk reward on my accounts. My goal is to target $1,500, and in more if I can, if the volume is there, which the volume did present itself today, but who would expect it? I knew 9:30 was coming in. I got in this trade around 8:30, 8:40 something ish. So you know how the markets move with New York session. You could have a full, complete reverse liquidity grab and then fall back down. So I was thinking about stuff like that. So I say, hey, I'm already up $1,300 on this trade. It's just $200 off from the goal. Might well take the profits and come back another day. We're gonna make it back. So we know we know our strategy work. We know what we're doing in the market, man. We're gonna get it back. So it's no deal about that. So yeah, it was an absolute banger trade. What I usually do now in these situations, take a screenshot of the trade. I get the writing in my journal. So add to my journal. Let you guys see what I usually do. Since it's just a trade recap, it wasn't a full video. So yeah, guys, start journaling your trades. I need to start using my other journal. I had a journal this in my spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet. I need to start back utilizing it. So took 1 hour supply within a 15-minute supply, guys. So that was a very high probability setup for me. It had 2 high time frame confluences. A lot of supply in the market. Got in on break of the candle. That's what I was looking for. That's what was the reason for me to take that setup, man. I mean, bro, just keep the strategy as simple as possible, man. Like, I only got a 3-step rule. All I'm barely even really 3 steps. All I'm doing is marking up a supply or demand. I'm looking for it to come tap the zone, reject, break of the candle. That's the only thing I'm looking for. And then after I get all that, bro, I'm looking to target me a 1 or 2 risk reward, 1 or 3, more if possible. So it's just simple as that. Because once you learn the market structure, you know how the market move. If because I understood that the market was going to potentially go down off this just by how the 1 hour look, because we was already accumulating so much price action. And we was consolidating, so I know we finna get ready to have a big move somewhere. And the market told me we broke structure right here on the 1 hour. So that let me know we preparing to go down. So that's all I was looking for, man. So I got in the trade. Trade worked out. Great setup. But this is the end of the video. This is a nice little trade recap. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy 3-Way Trades. Back at it again.